Greetings in Igbo. There are several ways to say greetings in Igbo. I will teach you the popular ones. Now, please be aware most Igbo people understand English. So, if you can't remember any of these Igbo greetings, just say them in English. Okay? So, the first one here is, how are you? Kedụ. Kedụ means how. So it is the short form of how are you? Kedụ ka ịdị? How do you do? Kedụ ka ị mere? How is your family? Kedụ maka ezinụlọ gị? How is work? Kedụ maka ọrụ? The response to Kedụ is ọ dị mma. It is fine. Ọ dị mma. It is fine. So it's acceptable to shorten how are you? Kedụ ka ịdị to Kedụ. And the response is ọ dị mma. However, if you want to be specific and you want to ask how are you, it is Kedụ ka ịdị, and the response would be adị m mma. I am fine. Thank you. Meela. 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 Thank you. Meela. Thank you is also Daalụ. 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 Thank you. Daalụ. Bye. Ka ọ dị. Ka ọ dị. Ka ọ dị. Bye. Ka ọ dị. Bye is also ka emesịa. Ka emesịa. Ka emesịa. So ka ọ dị and ka emesịa mean the same thing. They mean later or next time. Ka ọ dị. Ka emesịa. Good night. Ka chi fo. Ka chi fo. Ka chi fo. So ka chi fo means may the day break. It's like saying may we see a new day. So fo is break, day break. Chi is day, so fo is break, so day break. So the response to kachifo is ka obo. So ka obo means the same thing as kachifo. So kachifo, ka obo, they mean the same thing. Fo and bo are synonyms. So when I say kachifo, you respond ka obo. Kachifo, ka obo. Good morning. Bọọla chi. Bọọla chi. So bọọla chi, like kachibo, like kaobo or kachifo, is also talking about day and daybreak. So it's asking, have you seen a new day, or have you woken up to daybreak? And the response is that's yes. And then you can ask the same thing, bọọla chi. So good morning is bọọla chi. Welcome, Nnọọ. 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 Welcome is Nnọọ. 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 Hi is Ndeewo. 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 Now we have Jisie in Igbo. So Jisie, I don't know the equivalent in English. So Jisie is like saying hi, but hi to someone who is busy, someone who is doing something, someone who is working, or someone who is dancing, reading, studying, or someone who is on a shift, day shift or night shift, someone who is doing a job, is like saying hi to encourage someone to keep doing what they are doing. So you say Jisie for just to encourage someone. Like I'm currently recording this. When you see me doing this, you say Jisie to me to encourage me in recording, and you're watching this, I'll say Jisie to you to acknowledge that you're watching something. You can also say Jisie to me, knowing that I'm doing some Igbo lessons just to encourage me to keep uploading more videos or more lessons. Yeah, so it's like saying well done, but well done for a job that is still in progress. Yeah. Ngwan. Jisie. Bye.